This one time, the vending machine ate my dollar. I could do this in my sleep. I probably have. This one time, I got a popcorn, but then it got stuck. So I got a Snickers, and then that got stuck on top, and then they both fell. This is new. If you want some gum, I recommend H4. I used to be in 4-H club. I don't remember what the H's stood for, but I think one of them was horses. This one time, they were out of Cooler Ranch Doritos, so I had to get the nacho cheese instead.
And how did that make you feel?
I don't know, I mean, I guess at least they weren't the baked ones. Those are weird.
Do you always come to the same vending machine?
This is just a very nervous experience for everybody.